Here's the trick if your tractor will not start in the cold because of your glow plugs. First attempt. Okay, so what you do is remove the air intake. I've already loosened that up. Take your trusty old school Ryobi heat gun. Got it set at about 800. Put it right into the air intake. Give it a minute to warm it up.